I'm gonna pull this baby up, get it centered on the lift. The car is bigger than my lift. If I move it too much to the front of the back, the lift will tip it. It'll let it tip off of there. So I'm just gonna open the door and ease her forward. And yeah, that way I can center it and get up there. Get these tires off, get them other ones on there. Oh joy. I think that's good. I'm gonna put I don't really need to go higher than that. Maybe I do. Okay. Okay, I'll give you an old school fact some of y'all might not know. Back in the old days, mag wheels, aluminum wheels, Krager mags, all that stuff hadn't been invented yet. All there was whatever came from the factory. Hot rod boys in the old days used to reverse their own wheels. But another trick, and I know this because I had a 39 Ford pickup truck with a Cadillac engine in it, and this old guy, my dad's age, built it. And he put a set of Chrysler Imperial wheels on it. I hope I'm thinking right, because I'm thinking it could have been a certain year of a Lincoln. But I'm thinking it was Chrysler Imperial, which had 7.5-inch wide rims and would fit that Ford truck bolt pattern. And that's how, you know, there was tricks like that, that if you knew them back in the day, you could get some wider wheels than the standard stock wheels of the day. I just thought I'd throw that out there. It came to mind when I was thinking about these Chrysler wheels, and these are not the old style Ford truck bolt pattern. They are the regular 4.5-inch pattern, which fits a Ford, which means these wheels would also fit the 55, which means that those wheels, the ones I just took off, I can throw on the 55 and then I can drive it with that radial tires on it just to see what they feel like. I bought new lug nuts for these, and I bought a new set of lug nuts like that because these had these silly locking nuts on them, which I did not want to put back on. So another thing I've thought about, if I wanted to with these tires, I could scrub these like I did on the rat rod and get a wide white there, but I really am not looking for that look on this car. I know some have that, but really in the 60s we'd kind of gotten away from that, and it was more unusual than not to see people running wide whites on 60s cars. So there's all that.